Hi everyone, welcome to How Do You Say This in Japanese? Today I will show you several ways to say breakfast in Japanese. The most common way to say breakfast is asagohan. Asa means morning, gohan means rice or meal. So asagohan is just like morning meal. Asagohan, asagohan, asagohan. The next word for breakfast is asameshi. This is used by males. You might hear this word asameshi in anime or in Japanese dramas. This is a cool way for guys to say breakfast. But this is a very casual word, so make sure that you don't use this word in a very formal situations. So breakfast used by males is asameshi, asameshi, asameshi. So like I said, asa means morning and meshi means rice or meal used by males. The next word for breakfast is formal, 朝食, 朝食, 朝食. You can use this word 朝食 in a conversation, especially in a formal situation. It's also a good word to use in a formal writing. The kanji 朝 means morning. The kanji 食 means to eat or meal. The last word for breakfast is ご朝食. So this is a very polite way to say breakfast, often used by tour conductors or hotel workers for customers. ご朝食, ご朝食, ご朝食. The honorific prefix ご is added in front of the word 朝食. So this is a very, very polite way to say breakfast. But we don't use this word daily. Thank you for watching. またね